Go fuck that entire song. I had to go to another one.
Alright, look at this. Tunes from 8 Ball Fam. Alright. Hey, cuz, let me show you what's up with the 8 Ball crew. Blazing it, leaving the air with more smoke than a choo-choo train. Leaving you coughing with your virgin lungs. And I'm over here busting rhymes. I wasn't starstruck, but I'm just glad to be shine. And I'm not asking you to take my side in the beef, but you're one of the ones who told me fuck the police. And I used to be from a crew called SDK, but now they grew and became a gang. But I'm not into all that. I do my own things because this is the life I chose, and your life sucks. My life blows. For I'm a little chauffeur now, and I'm glad to be one, because I'm not afraid to show who I am. But yet again, you still hate, so go suck one without having to hesitate. Because I know you're a fag, can't even show who you are, so go ahead, at least I'm glad. And yeah, I blazed before, that doesn't mean I'm a hardcore. And yeah, they call me Tunes from 8 Ball Fam. We say funny words like duh and cuh, but that's just us, and we do our own crazy stuff like blaze and lean. So fuck you being mean with your wannabe greens. So no street ball for this hoe. Tunes from 8 Ball Fam.